to work on the trap area. Okay, so the erectors are nice and loose. Our spine is here. We're going to start with the ball right there. We're just going to go across the way over max, small increments till you get to the shoulder, and then we're going to go back to the start again. I'm going to place that ball exactly where we said. Now, she's probably not feeling much tension here, so she's take a few steps out, and then she can transfer more weight and push herself in onto that area. Now, what's that pain out from 1 to 10?
5.
At 5. Good. All right, so breathe that straight down. Exhale. Same visualization technique. One has gone down.
3.
Okay, 3. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to move it just to the side here like so. And she can actually almost like roll it to as well. But keep the tension on the ball and just roll it in small increments so she locates that high number. And we're after those high 8s. We're going to bring that right down. And then that should definitely release the muscle there. Keep breathing that all the way. And just visualize yourself sinking through that wall and through that ball too as well. Everything is loosening up. Now she's going to move it on again. So she's going to move it over it again slightly over to here. And keep breathing. Step out a little bit from the wall too as well. So that will increase that. So basically she's depressed all that trap there on this side here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to exactly where we started. We're going to put the ball, place it right there, and then we're going to work on some movements. Okay, so she got that number from an 8 down to a 5. So that means then we can start to bring that arm up. So you bring that arm up, and I'd say that pain's starting to go up a little bit, is it? Walk a little bit out, come down on it there. Okay, right, and then you want to try and get that all the way back to the wall. But now remember, when she's doing this, she's not going to force it. Right? You're going to depress the muscle, and then the lever, which is the arm here, is going to do its thing and let it come all the way back. Deep breaths in through the belly. Breathe out right through and try and get that all the way back. So on the side of that trap is a muscle called a supraspinatus, and that actually helps us abduct the arm out like so. So she's got that range of motion. She's got the extension over the head, and she's also got that abduction too as well. So when she's finished that, she's going to go on to the other side and do the exact same on the other side. All right, the next muscle that we're going to work on is the delts right up in here. So this is going to help with the rotator cuff muscle. She's going to start here, and she's going to go to the side onto the wall like so. Take a few steps out the way. Again, so she's creating that angle, you see. Okay, take deep breaths in. Exhale, there you go. And then same visualization technique. Breathing technique too as well. Breathe through the belly. And then exhale. Now breathing it right down. Just want to go to like a 5, 2, or 3. Right now, so you're going to work your way down, over and back. And she's just going to basically go over and back the whole way down into the end of the delt. And then once she's done that part, she's going to transfer over onto the rear delt, onto the back. And she's going to do the exact same thing there. Take deep breaths in. And notice it's not on the trap. It's a little bit lower, hitting that rear delt. And then what she can do, once she gets this pain down, she's going to lift the arm like so. And she's actually just going to bring it across the body here. Once she brings it across the body, she's going to push on here. And then she's going to create a little bit more tension up onto that delt. Now, if you're doing this for a long time and the arm is up and you start to get a little bit of pain on the in the joints here, just bring it back down, relax it, and then come it right back up and bring that pain right down.